In this video, we're going to take a look at the removal of the node, just like we did in the previous videos. And let's execute this code with for if statements in this algorithm. We have a populated list with two nodes with a data 7 and data 4, the data value of 7 and two integers. So let's see what happens. The current node assigned next pointer to 7. Successor becomes at the location 1, the index 1 node. Predecessor node null. Next line of code we execute is it goes here because the list successor node is not null. We go to the next line of code. Probably is going to skip, and it goes to the if node equals list, and we have two double equal sign here in this line of code right here. That means we're checking for the data, the value. Let's see what happens next. Remove list. So we're looking at, when we're removing, we're looking at the predecessor and successor. And the current node is the one that we're removing. And as you can see in this, it has two parameters: list name and the location of where we remove the node. And in this case, we have the list name and the location at which we remove the node. Not the location, but the node that we're removing. So there will be two locations, the predecessor and successor. In between those two, the current one is being removed in this case, which is the node with the data value 5. And let's see what happens. We're assigning the previous pointer to the predecessor, and the next pointer of the predecessor we're assigning to the successor. And then we're removing. Now we need to remove the 2. What happens if it's at the tail? Current. Successor becomes null, and predecessor becomes the previous. Next, we go to second if statement. Taking next, assigning to null. Then we're assigning the tail to the predecessor. That makes perfect sense. Now all commands are executed.